Many young professionals believe that building wealth requires a huge salary or family inheritance. But the truth is, wealth is more about your habits than your paycheck. In this video, we'll explore practical step-by-step strategies that anyone can use to build lasting wealth, even on a modest income. Whether you're just starting your career or feeling stuck financially, these tips will help you lay a strong foundation for financial freedom. Let's dive in and discover how small, smart choices can make a big difference over time. Wealth isn't built overnight or through sudden windfalls. Instead, it's the result of consistent habits and disciplined decision-making. Even if your income is modest, mastering the right financial habits early on gives you a powerful advantage. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. Let's look at the first step to get you started on this journey. Every journey needs a map, and building wealth is no different. Start by outlining your financial goals. Think about where you want to be in 1, 5, and 10 years. Next, take stock of your current situation, your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Be honest about your risk appetite and what you truly value when it comes to money. Many young professionals skip this step, but clarity here ensures your decisions are intentional, not just reactions to life's surprises. With a clear roadmap, you'll always know where you're headed. Saving isn't about how much you earn, it's about making it a habit. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline. 50% of your income goes to essentials, 30% to lifestyle choices, and 20% to saving and investing. If 20% feels tough, start with 10%, but be consistent and try to increase it each year. Automate your savings so the money moves before you even see it. This way, you're paying yourself first and building a safety net for the future, no matter your income level. Before you think about investing, focus on protection. An emergency fund is your financial safety cushion. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account or a liquid mutual fund. This fund shields you from unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies, so you won't need to dip into investments or take on expensive loans. With this safety net in place, you can pursue wealth building with confidence and stability. Especially high-interest loans like credit cards can be a major roadblock to building wealth. Make it a priority to pay off these debts as quickly as possible. You can use the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest debts first for quick wins, or the debt avalanche method, which targets the highest interest rates to save the most money. Every rupee you save on interest is a rupee you can invest in your future. Reducing debt early frees up your income for wealth building. Wealthy people often don't look rich, they think rich. Avoid lifestyle inflation, which is the urge to spend more as you earn more. Choose modest housing, cut unnecessary subscriptions, cook at home, and use public transport when possible. Avoid falling into the trap of buying things on EMI just because you can. Small, consistent savings add up over time and can make a huge difference in your long-term wealth. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making smart choices. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. Even small amounts invested early can grow significantly thanks to compounding. Consider starting with equity mutual funds through SIPs, index funds, or even blue-chip stocks if you're comfortable. The key is to start even if it's just a few thousand each month. Over the years, these investments can grow into substantial wealth. Don't wait for a bigger paycheck. Let your money start working for you now. There are several beginner-friendly investment options for young professionals. Equity mutual funds via SIPs are great for long-term growth. Index funds offer low-cost, high-return potential. The National Pension System (NPS) is excellent for retirement planning and tax benefits. If you're comfortable, blue-chip stocks can be a good choice. For those who prefer gold, digital gold or sovereign gold bonds (SGBs) are safer ways to invest. Choose what matches your risk appetite and start small. Modest salary can go further if you use tax-saving tools wisely. Take advantage of Section 80C options like EPF, PPF, ELSS, and life insurance. Don't forget Section 80D for health insurance premiums and the additional deduction for NPS. These strategies directly increase your take-home pay, giving you more to save and invest. Understanding and using tax benefits is a powerful way to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Your current salary doesn't have to be your ceiling. The fastest way to build wealth is to increase your earning potential. Focus on learning skills that are in demand, like financial modeling, digital marketing, data analysis, coding, project management, and public speaking. Earning certifications relevant to your field can also open new doors. Just like money, skills compound over time, leading to higher income and more opportunities. We're not limited to your main job for income. Explore side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, small e-commerce ventures, consulting, or creating content on social media. Even a modest side income can dramatically increase your ability to save and invest. With remote work and digital platforms, it's easier than ever to start. Diversifying your income streams not only accelerates wealth building, but also provides extra security. Can't improve what you don't measure. Make it a habit to track your income and expenses using simple tools like Notion templates, money manager apps, Excel sheets, or even your bank spending insights. Tracking helps you spot leaks, reallocate funds, and maintain discipline. Over time, this habit will help you make smarter decisions and stay on top of your financial goals. Your environment and mindset play a huge role in your financial success. Surround yourself with people who value financial discipline. Follow personal finance creators, read books on wealth building, and discuss money openly and responsibly. Avoid comparing yourself to others on social media. Learning from those who are financially disciplined can inspire you to stay consistent, even when your income is modest. Building wealth on a modest income is a slow but steady process. The most important ingredients are consistency and discipline. You may not see results right away, but every small decision, every sip, every saved rupee, every hour spent learning will compound over time. Trust the process and stay patient. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Wealth isn't reserved for those with high salaries. It's the reward for making intentional, consistent financial decisions. As a young professional, your greatest advantage is time. If you start today and stick to these steps, you'll build a future filled with financial freedom, security, and peace of mind. Remember, every small step counts. Let's recap the key lessons and see how you can put them into action. Let's quickly recap the practical steps to build wealth on a modest income. Start with a clear financial roadmap, make saving a habit, build an emergency fund, pay off high-interest debt, live below your means, invest early, maximize tax savings, develop marketable skills, start a side income, track your money, build a wealth mindset, and stay patient. Each step builds on the last, creating a strong foundation for your financial future. It's easy to focus on income, but habits are what truly drive wealth. Consistent saving, disciplined spending, and regular investing are the real game changers. Over time, these habits become second nature, making it easier to stay on track even when life gets busy or income fluctuates. Start small but stay steady, the results will surprise you. Compounding is often called the eighth wonder of the world. When you invest early, your money earns returns, and those returns earn even more returns. This snowball effect is what turns small, regular investments into significant wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Don't underestimate the impact of starting now, even with small amounts. Automation is a powerful tool for building wealth. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts, you remove the temptation to spend first. This ensures you're always paying yourself before anything else. Automation also helps you stay consistent, even if you're busy or forgetful. Make your financial progress effortless by letting technology do the work. As your income grows, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, nicer gadgets, more dining out, or expensive vacations. But this can eat away at your ability to save and invest. Instead, keep your expenses in check and focus on increasing your savings rate as your income rises. This discipline is what separates those who build wealth from those who just look wealthy. Life is unpredictable and emergencies can happen to anyone. Having an emergency fund means you won't have to break your investments or take on debt when the unexpected strikes. This fund is your financial safety net, giving you peace of mind and stability as you work toward your bigger goals. Make building this fund a top priority. In paying off debt, you have two main strategies: the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins, and the avalanche method, where you tackle the highest interest debts to save the most money. Choose the approach that motivates you most. The important thing is to stay focused and keep making progress until you're debt-free. Systematic investment plans, SIPs, and index funds are excellent options for beginners. SIPs allow you to invest a fixed amount regularly, making investing easy and automatic. Index funds track the market and offer low fees with solid returns over time. Both options help you build wealth steadily, even if you're starting with small amounts. National Pension System (NPS) is a great tool for young professionals to start planning for retirement. It offers tax benefits and helps you build a secure future. Even small contributions add up over time thanks to compounding. Start early and you'll be amazed at how much you can accumulate by the time you retire. Tax-saving investments like EPF, PPF, and ELSS not only help you save on taxes but also grow your wealth over time. These options are designed to encourage long-term saving and offer attractive returns. Make sure you're making the most of these tools each year to maximize your take-home income and accelerate your financial progress. Health insurance is not just a safety net, it's also a smart tax-saving tool. Under Section 80D, you can claim deductions for health insurance premiums. This protects you from unexpected medical expenses and reduces your taxable income. Make sure you have adequate coverage for yourself and your family. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to build wealth. Upskilling, learning new marketable skills can quickly boost your earning potential. Whether it's through online courses, certifications, or workshops, continuous learning opens doors to better jobs and higher pay. Treat your education as an investment that pays lifelong dividends. Side hustles are a great way to supplement your main income. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, consulting, or selling products online, even a small side income can make a big difference. Use your skills and interests to find opportunities that fit your schedule. The extra money can be used to boost your savings or investments. Technology makes it easier than ever to track your finances. Use apps, spreadsheets, or bank insights to monitor your spending and savings. These tools help you stay organized, spot trends, and make better decisions. Regular tracking is key to maintaining financial discipline and reaching your goals faster. Surrounding yourself with people who are financially disciplined can inspire you to stay on track. Follow personal finance creators, join online communities, and read books about money management. Discussing finances openly helps you learn new strategies and avoid common mistakes. Your environment can be a powerful motivator for positive change. It's easy to feel left behind when you see others flaunting their wealth on social media. But remember, most people only share their highlights, not their struggles. Focus on your own journey and avoid comparing yourself to others. True wealth is about financial security and peace of mind, not flashy displays. You don't have to be perfect with your finances. Consistency is what matters most. Even if you slip up occasionally, getting back on track and sticking with your habits will lead to long-term success. Don't let small setbacks discourage you. Every effort counts and adds up over time. Discipline is the backbone of wealth building. It's what keeps you saving, investing, and learning even when it's not easy. Developing discipline takes time, but it pays off in the form of financial freedom and peace of mind. Stay focused on your goals and remind yourself why you started. Every milestone on your financial journey deserves to be celebrated. Paid off a debt, increased your savings rate, started investing. Take a moment to acknowledge your progress. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and makes the journey more enjoyable. Remember, every step forward is a victory. Ultimately, the goal of building wealth is to achieve financial freedom, the ability to make choices without being limited by money. This freedom brings security, peace of mind, and the opportunity to live life on your own terms. Stay committed to your plan and you'll get there step by step. As a young professional, time is on your side. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compounding and the easier it is to reach your goals. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start now, even if it's with small steps. Your future self will thank you for it. Building wealth requires a shift in mindset from short-term gratification to long-term planning. Focus on your future goals and make decisions that support them. This mindset will help you stay disciplined and motivated even when progress feels slow. The world of finance is always evolving. Stay curious and keep learning about new investment options, tax laws, and money management strategies. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Treat learning as a lifelong habit that pays off in every area of your life. By following these steps, you're not just building wealth, you're creating security for yourself and your loved ones. Financial security means less stress, more opportunities, and the ability to handle life's surprises with confidence. Keep your eyes on the long-term benefits and stay committed to your plan. A well-thought-out financial plan brings peace of mind. Knowing you have a roadmap, an emergency fund, and a plan for the future reduces anxiety and helps you focus on what matters most. Take pride in your progress and trust the process. You're on the right path. Wealth is built one step at a time, brick by brick. Each decision you make, saving, investing, learning, adds up to a stronger financial foundation. Stay patient, keep building, and remember that every effort brings you closer to your goals. No matter where you're starting from, you have the power to build wealth and create the life you want. Take the first step today and keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make now. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Building wealth on a modest income is absolutely possible. With the right habits, mindset, and strategies, you can achieve financial freedom and security. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and trust the process. The future is bright for those who start today. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. Remember, wealth is built through small, consistent steps. Stay committed, keep learning, and celebrate your progress along the way. Wishing you success and peace of mind as you build your future one smart decision at a time. The Young Professional